Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I am unboxing, reviewing, and telling you the approximate value of my Ipsy glam bag for the month of May. The theme for May is Go There, so the bag has a bunch of little passport stamps all over it. I actually really like the other side. I love this kind of corally orange color, but I'm not a huge fan of this side, so I don't know how much I will use this. The first product that I got is this Moly Painting Therapy Pack. It is for sebum control and it is a black clay mask. Now I'm going to be very honest, I have been using this for the past couple of days and I really don't see any major changes in my skin. I actually feel like I'm breaking out more, if you can tell. I don't know if that is a positive result of the mask, like it's pulling gunk out of my skin and then my skin is going to look fabulous in a couple of days. But right now I just really don't know how I feel about this. It does feel great. It feels very hydrating, very moisturizing, very soothing on the skin, but as far as results, I don't know how well it is doing. I do kind of like the packaging though. It is kind of cute with the little paint theme. The approximate value is about $2.30. Next up from London is this I Do liquid eyeliner. It is waterproof and it is in the shade Carbon Black, and I was kind of excited about this because I have received several products from London from Ipsy boxes or Birchbox before, and they've been generally pretty good, so I was very hopeful for this. I actually really liked the fat nib on the pen, but I used it once yesterday and it was kind of drying out already. Like the tip was not very saturated. I was really kind of having to go over and over and over the line. It wasn't as black and as pigmented as I would like, so I was just kind of overall disappointed with this, and I felt like it was having a hard time drying over my eyeshadow, which is just kind of sad because that's kind of the whole point of eyeliner. I don't know, so I was kind of disappointed with this, and it's pretty much done. Like it's almost dried out, so I don't know if I just got a bad one or what, but this was not a good one this week. The crazy thing is that this is almost a full size. It is 1.2 grams and the full size is 2 grams. So almost a full size, and the full size is $22. And I'm hoping, I don't know, maybe I just got a bad one because there's like rave reviews on this. Apparently Alexa Chung, it's her favorite eyeliner. So I don't know what happened, maybe I just got a dud, but I really did not like this. But anyways, as I was saying, because this is almost the full size, the approximate retail value is actually $13.20. Next up is this Douche Max Lash Volumizer Mascara. I hate it when the ounceage or the approximate value is not actually on the packaging. It drives me insane because then I have to go hunt for it, and that just makes me crazy. But as for the product itself, I actually really liked it. I'm gonna show you the brush head because I love me a nice thick brush wand. I love when companies and brands use the same brush wand for their mini travel size as they do for their full size, so you really get the full effect of the mascara, because I swear half of the mascara is the kind of wand that they use. So love this mascara. I'm wearing it today. Makes my lashes look nice and voluminous and naturally voluminous, and the wand is just really nice. I really like it. So like I said before, this took a lot of searching to figure out the approximate ounceage. They don't even have the ounceage for the full size on their website, which drives me insane because I want to know everything about a product before I purchase it. Anyways, the approximate retail value is $9.80. I love when I get high-end brands in my Ipsy bag, and this is a little Tarte Smooth Operator Amazonian Clay Finishing Powder. Love this a lot. I feel like my skin looks super smooth, super nice. I feel like I'm kind of looking a little greasy, so maybe I need to touch up, which I feel like I don't usually have to do with some of my other finishing powders, but overall I do like this. I also don't have too many travel sizes of finishing powders, so since I do like this, I'm probably going to save it for when I travel and I need to pack a small makeup bag. And as for the approximate retail value, this is about $7.70. And then last but not least, I got this Elizabeth Mott Pop Goes the Eyeshadow Premium Eyeshadow in Mermaid Teal. I will swatch it for you guys so you can see it because I'm not wearing it today, but it is a very pretty teal color. I like this way more than I thought I would. So that's one swatch, so you kind of have to build it up a little to get kind of an intense pigment. But if you can see, it almost is like a duochrome, like there's kind of like silver, gold, green reflex in it. So I think this is super duper pretty, kind of matches my nails. Going for a mermaid vibe this week. And just like the Eyeshadow eyeliner, this is actually only 0.5 grams off of the full size of the eyeshadow, so the approximate retail value is $9.75. So if you haven't been keeping track, that brings the total May Ipsy Glam Bag value up to $42.75, which is pretty good actually. And though I wasn't a fan of every single product in there, I really did like a lot of them. So it was a good month for me, and it was a good month for Ipsy. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. Please make sure you give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, tell me what you got in your Ipsy Glam Bag this month, and if you liked the bag, I still don't know how you feel about it, so let me know. And then while you're down in the down bar, make sure you subscribe to my channel, check me out on Instagram, Twitter, and Snapchat, and maybe try out Ipsy for yourself, because I have my personal referral link down there, and if you haven't tried it out, I highly recommend it. I love Ipsy. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day.